Through extensive testing here in the wind tunnel, we're able to optimize several features of the truck that will allow it to have a low aerodynamic drag, which then allows the customer to get the improved fuel economy that they desire. We also spend a lot of time in here looking for wind noises and whistles. The 2019 Ram 1500 has 3 active features to help improve the aerodynamic drag signature of the truck: adjustable grille shutters, a class exclusive active air dam, and our class exclusive air suspension system that lowers the vehicle 1/2 inch at highway speeds. We have an active grille shutter system behind the grille that opens and closes based on how much cooling airflow is needed. We try to keep it closed as much as possible because that allows the air to be redirected around the truck to keep the drag low. On the active grille shutter system that we have on our current truck, we've carried that through to the new truck, but we've moved it forward so that it was closer to the grille and was more effective from an aerodynamic standpoint. We've added the active air dam, which deploys at 35 miles per hour. When that deploys, it allows the air to be redirected instead of going underneath the truck and hitting a lot of the suspension components that create high drag. It diverts it around the truck so we keep the aerodynamic drag low. Our class exclusive air suspension system has an aero mode that lowers the vehicle 1/2 inch to help reduce aero drag. We spend a lot of time on the mirrors because those sticking out from the sides of the truck are big sources of drag. So we spend a lot of time on those and to refine the shape to produce as little drag as possible. We look at the shape of the bumpers, the fog lamp pockets we've modified to try to help the air get around the bumper so it flows efficiently. And then when we get towards the back of the truck, we've done things with the tailgate cap to keep the drag low. We've done things with the leading edge of the bumpers, trying instead of making them flat, they're beveled to try to get the air around them more efficiently. Compared to the previous Ram, we've been able to reduce the drag of this vehicle by 9%. So that's a huge improvement over a truck that was already a very low drag vehicle. We now have a class leading 357 coefficient of drag. That's a number that, quite honestly, is better than some mid-size SUVs, and this is a full-size truck.